What do you most value about being bilingual?
There's a lot that I value about being bilingual when it comes to work, but I think if I had to pick one thing, that what I value most is what it does for my patients or my clients. It allows for communication in really stressful situations. So in the hospital, oftentimes you're talking to patients or family members who are really sick, who are having trouble understanding, once again, similar to what Oliver was saying before, the technical terms. So it's not just that it's a second language that they're trying to hear, but it's a second language with technical terms. And so to be able to come into that space and speak with them in their native language and help put them at ease, open up those channels of communication, it makes a difference. And it makes a difference that the patients and clients verbalize. I had a client recently who wasn't sure if she wanted to continue with the program because her current worker was leaving, but when she found out that I spoke Spanish, she decided she would continue because that made a difference for her. And so it provides patients or clients with the opportunity to be a part of programs that they wouldn't otherwise participate in now, and in the hospital helps them when they're already struggling with a lot of difficult things.
Well, for me, I guess, well, my first language is Spanish. So when nobody at the company, at least where I work, speaks Spanish, so that kind of makes you feel a little special, or at least that you have something special. That's why they use me as a translator in this case. But one of the things that I value the most is when you think in two languages or you have a different language, you have a different level of expression. So you think, sometimes they ask you this question very often, like, which language do you use to think? Sometimes I'm thinking in English and sometimes I'm thinking in Spanish. And that is a different level because when your mind looks for peace on different languages, or you're looking for the fastest way to express your feelings or what you're thinking, and obviously, well, having two languages is having twice as much, so that gives you a very, very open mind, I guess. The other thing is people around me, they are always asking, hey, how do I say this in Spanish, or trying to reach that level, which for me, it's when people speak to me in Spanish, they reach a different level of confidence with me. So I appreciate that a lot, especially when people are trying that are not Spanish speaker, and also sometimes the fact that I can curse in another language, which without nobody noticing, I guess.